Yo, yo, yo! This is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt. Your hardest team is called Grunt. And this is Pokemon Masters. Final one, guys. Final chapter, battle, whatever you call this. Final main story co-op. Challenge Sygna Suit Elesa and team, which is Fantina and Sabrina. Very hard. We're still using Karen. She's very useful. And she's one of the oldest characters in the game. So, let's get on to it, shall we? Showtime.
I never miss a chance. Now's my chance. Now's my chance.
Ooh.
It's my turn
I
now.
see someone use Grimsley.
Now's my chance. Strut your stuff. It's my turn now. Whee!
Probably should have used Snarl early on. It's fine.
Strut your stuff. It's my turn now. Strut your stuff. Bend them to your will. Go. Strut your stuff.
What the heck just happened? Backfire. Phew. Interesting. So it's like Aftermath, was it? Grifflin's Aftermath. Except that my stats get lowered. Everyone's stats get lowered.
I didn't foresee this disappointment. Keep it up. Strut your stuff. Keep it up.
I'll just use Bite for flinching.
Keep it up. Keep it up.
Awesome!
Now's my chance.
One more Dark Pulse and you are dead.
This is it.
Will Night Slash do the trick? No, it doesn't.
Time to battle.
Time to kill you. Wow, that is strong. And with that said, one Dark Pulse and it's over, guys. That is it. We have finished
I was hoping
Challenge Sygna Suit Elesa and team. That's the final co-op main story stage right now. And with that said, this is my first time to see this. Very nice looking. Thank you for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts. Share this with your friends. Subscribe if you haven't. Lots of evolution in his stories left. We'll do them later. In the meantime,